The channel, and in this video I will show you how you can create this easy scenario inside Blender. Super easy. So you know the drill, delete everything in the basics. Now I'm gonna create water. So for that, just add a plane and go to the shading option, add a new bump and decrease the total roughness, increase the total transmission, add a noise texture and play around with it. So that's gonna be our water. Yeah, just play with the distortion and that's it. So for the next movement, just keep adding random landscapes from the built-in Blender add-ons. Just place them wherever you want and sometimes play with the settings of the turbulence and everything, because that can give you something like interesting looking rocks, some good looking mountains. After done, you just reorder and make them into the placement, and you can start adding the textures. And for this scenario I will also add another UV sphere for next time. Right now I'm just gonna show you how you can just get the textures. If you have the Blender kit plug-in and all like installed inside your Blender, it's gonna be super easy. You can just drag and drop each of the textures. Now for this I'm just gonna create a random some smaller size of the UV spheres, and I'm just gonna position them randomly in the scene. I'm just gonna give them some texture like metallic, and after you're done, just place them whenever you want, and basically your scene is pretty much done when you are just adding in the textures and everything. And also for engine I would recommend use cycles, and also you can play around with the textures of the sky texture. I would say, since this is a daylight scenario, keep the sun like bright, something like that. And we have to also add a sky, because in the sky texture it doesn't show some cloud or something like that. If you followed my previous video, I showed you at how you can use image plane as an image texture like sky texture. So please check on that video. I demonstrated much more into that. So after you're done placing your total image or sky texture, just go to the shading option and change the color into the emission, and that's it. Pretty much that's your sky. And play with the camera settings and go to the render option. And since my laptop is very low spec, it has to do some settings, and yeah, but pretty much it's done. It looks really nice. And for rendering option, you can use 32, or I used in this case 128 since I had some time to render it out, and looks pretty nice. So that's it. I will try to create more easy scenarios, set Blender. Stay tuned and have a nice day.